In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to HubSpot. The process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes. Let's dive in and get you set up. The first step is to log into your HubSpot account. If you're new to this, simply head over to the HubSpot website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the settings icon. It's usually represented by a little gear symbol. Click on that to get started. Next, you need to navigate through the menu to find the website section. From there, click on Domains and URLs. This will take you to the domain management area where you can manage all your domain settings. It's an intuitive system designed to make managing domains as seamless as possible. Once you're in the Domains and URLs section, look for the Connect a Domain button. It should be prominently displayed. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. This is the gateway to linking your new domain to HubSpot. Now, you'll be prompted to select the type of domain you'd like to connect. You may see options like primary, secondary, redirect, or email sending. Think about what purpose your domain will serve on HubSpot. For those setting up a primary site, you'll want to choose primary. If it's additional or supporting, go for secondary. Redirects are used for sending traffic from one domain to another, and email sending is for domains you'll use to send out emails through HubSpot. After choosing the correct type, you'll need to enter the actual domain name you wish to connect. This is simply your website's address, like yourwebsite.com. Double-check for any typos to ensure everything goes smoothly. Accidental typos here could lead to a bit of a detour. With your domain name entered, it's time to hit the Connect button. This confirms that you want to link this domain to your HubSpot account. Clicking this will guide you to the next stage, which involves a bit more technical work. You'll receive specific instructions to update your DNS records. DNS settings control how your domain connects to various services on the internet. You'll need to log into your DNS provider's account, be it GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another service. Follow HubSpot's provided instructions carefully to add or modify CNAME records, and possibly A records as directed. This step is crucial for the link to work properly, and it might take a little time for these updates to propagate. And that's it! You've now connected your domain to HubSpot. With a bit of patience, your changes will soon reflect across the internet, allowing you to harness the full power of HubSpot for your site. Thanks for watching and happy connecting. B.